Bada boom, bada boom, boom, boom. It's super evil. Oh yeah, there you go. Ooh. Greetings everyone, it's Gabby here. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, you're back. So, as you can see here, we have our mighty shakers. Why? Because it's a booze day. Whose birthday today? We're going to have a booze, okay? So, if you drink, don't drive. If you drive, don't drink, okay? So, we have our cherry puree. So if you haven't seen the video, please click on the link. I will put it on the description below. And we also have some vodka. Interesting. And of course, water here, and fresh lime here, of course, and the fresh cherries. Woohoo. Okay, let's bring it on. Party is on. It's yeehaw time. Come on, guys. Bring it on. Oh yeah. So let's carry on. Okay, we're going to use our shaker here. Yeah. So we need the cherry puree. 2 glasses. So I'll try to make more. Vodka. Woo. So you want it hard? Let's put 2 in it. Woo. Okay, and we need some fresh lime. Yeah. Okay. Some fresh lime here. Okay. Need more lime. Need more lime, yeah? Vodka inside. Oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna use syrup, of course. Some syrup here. Just one of it. Gonna be sweet, but with right. Okay, I'm gonna put on ice here. Cool. Close it. Oh yeah! Hey! Alright! Bada boom, bada boom, boom. It's super evil. Yeah, so we got it. Are you guys excited? Oh my god. So let's bring it on. Oh yeah, there you go. Ooh. Ah. Oh my gee. There you go. Woohoo! So, how? Put it on. We garnish it. So, garnish it. One more. And we'll have some fresh cherries. Fresh cherries, yeah. Drop it in. Drop it. We still have some here, of course. careful. So if you're not used to it, practice, okay? But if not, you're going to hurt yourself and we don't like it. So, one here, one more here. So we're going to garnish it. Okay, you can see it better. And this side too. Okay, and of course, when you forget, just stop a bit, okay? Soda water, put on top. So, okay, so it looks perfect already, isn't it? But I want some cherries on top, okay? I want it fresh, right? It's more beautiful. Ah, one more here. So that's what we called a fresh cherries vodka soda cocktail. So there you go. This is your cocktail for today. Hope you're gonna like it. So, as easy as it gets. It's nothing more. It's not looking so. I don't know how you're gonna look it, guys, but yes, it's booze, and please look at that. So please do not drink and drive. And if you drink, don't drive. Leave your car on the side of the road, okay? So, okay, there you go. Here's your cocktail for today. Here you go here, and also, so yeah, we're gonna try it. A second. It's lekker. It looks lekker. So here's your cocktail for today. We called it Fresh Cherries Vodka Soda Cocktail. See you guys, if you try it, please let me know, of course. And I am really glad if you're gonna do it, yeah? So it's easy, and it's a seasonal cocktail as well. So I will see you again on my next video. Hopefully you guys like it, okay? This is Gabby here, and thank you for joining. Oh my god, this is awesome. Perfect. Hmm.